Mamelodi Sundowns is useless without uTebogo Mokoena. And it's evident ngendlela abadlala ngayo uTebza makangekho. Abadlali nge-energy uTebza makangekho. They don't look like a side that wants to win. They don't even play like African champions uTebogo Mrembula makangekho. Lento abayenzile against the Chiefs lapha, they look like just another side ekhona kuphethwe Premiership. It was really confusing to see Mamelodi Sundowns idlala ngalendlela le abadlale ngayo. Sharp ubona they dominated ball position as you would expect them to dominate ball position. But if you dominate ball position and you are not creating chances or you are not posing a threat to opposition yakho, then into mele uhlalo yazi ukuthi ball position yakho is pointless and it's useless for you to dominate a ball position. Kaizer Chiefs kule game lana coach Fernando de Cruz for me outsmarted lo mjida lo Miguel Cardoso. He outsmarted Miguel Cardoso because he made sure ukuthi there's any chance asibashayeni labantu laba ngelo block maqeda will hit them on the transition, and each time Chiefs bephethe polo whenever they were attacking they seemed as though they were the better side whenever they had the ball and had to go forward. Imamelodi Sundowns bebaya phambili babuye baye phambili bamuye bebadlala ama back pass amaningi kule game lana Imamelodi Sundowns. So for me, for me that draw is a win for Kaizer Chiefs. That draw spells and means advantage for Kaizer Chiefs because Kaizer Chiefs kule game leya actually futhi kahle Sundowns were lucky ukuthi Chiefs ayiwinanga le game leya. If only na Chiefs they took most of their chances, we could have be having a different conversation khona manje namhlanje. So Mamelodi Sundowns is nothing without uTebogo Mokoena. He's the guy that gets everything done for bona. Uyo bafake game ini, uyo basiza ukina ama game. He's the leader. For me, he's more of a leader than Ronon Williams, you know. And uTebogo Mokoena is the one that makes sure ukuthi amajita bayahlala egamini bayafocusa, everything's done, creativity siyaba offer creativity siyadlala. So Mamelodi Sundowns without uTebza useless, without uTebza ikindaba ye Mamelodi Sundowns. Now it makes sense. Mamelodi Sundowns bakwazi ukusayina any player and every player abayifuna but yabona ukuthi ama team akho PSL Latin manje it's fine, you can take all the big name players ningabathatha mangabe lo yashisa ningabathatha nibasayine, but we have our young players, unknown players abazothatha igame bayisekini ban challenge. Well done to Langilihle Phili, what a game he had lapha. For me, the biggest mistake coach Fernando de Cruz ayenzile kule game leya was substituting uLangilihle Phili, and substituting ngesikhathi esirong aqeda ukukora. And makaqeda ukukora, what does that mean for the player? He's more energetic, he's more confident, which means ukuthi uzofuna more goals. So the only mistake Fernando de Cruz ayenzile kule game leya nokudonsa lo mfana lo Langilihle Phili. uPhili did everything right kule game leya. And I also want to give credit to Pule Modi. I know I was one of the few people abathi Pule Modi mela hambe ku Kaizer Chiefs, he has nothing to offer. Of course bafethu siya criticize, siya judge, asibuye maku wrong sixolise. Pule Modi played well. For someone ongayidlali la position le Pule Modi udlale kahle, and for me Pule Modi was more effective than most of lama fullback labo akhona kule game lana. So it was a very interesting game to watch. I don't believe it was a game of two halves. I just saw ama team abewalandana. Mamelodi Sundowns dominated ball position. Kaizer Chiefs beat my trolley polar bashay transition. There was a bit of ama mistake ama officials, poor officiating like South Africa keeps ruining game too, and it keeps ruining the magnitude of our football. Mele kutipela lento lena ama poor officiating. But nonetheless, Coach Fernando de Cruz is onto something special lapha Kaizer Chiefs, and I'm telling you, with that coach, Kaizer Chiefs izoya kude kakhulu kule season. Lo amjida lo yana khona into azoyiwina ne Kaizer Chiefs kule season le. I like the fact that he's so fearless. Any other coach wouldn't have approached that game without Mfundo Vilakazi or Mdushabalala. Ubathathe wababencha boyi2 and the team yake played well. Like I said last time, we are reaching a point where Kaizer Chiefs doesn't need Mfundo Vilakazi no Mdushabalala because la machita lawa boyi2 bona, they are more worried about the individual brilliance as opposed to a team performance. They don't play as a team labafana laba badlalela bona, badlalela social media nokuthi senza khulunywe ngabo kuloko kuhlanywa ngabo. But the squad that Chiefs chose kule game leyana is squad ekuthi besitshela bebadlala kahle bebakhavelana, they were aggressive, they were pushing back. Mamelodi Sundowns mighty as abebama laba be Chiefs ngiyabheka, he did nothing wrong lo mjita lo wishayile into yakhe. Coach Fernando de Cruz, well done. As much as Chiefs didn't win that game, it was disappointing to see how Mamelodi Sundowns came back. But hey man, you'd expect anyone to concede Masengenu Cassius Mailula. What a player. Uyakwazi ukuzipositiona, uyakwazi ukuread game, uyakwazi ukuthatha ama-run. Nalo mfana lo uSiyanda Ndlovu ungene wa change complexion egame ongene kahle. Ben Mokoena, another guy, another one to look out for in the future. So now I want to talk about Orlando Pirates. Sibonile Orlando Pirates on Sunday izolo bebadlala lapha eKings Park Stadium. They played against Chupa United. a boring game, if you ask me. That was a very boring game. That game, straight after goal, Lagalungu, that's when the game became interesting. But that game was boring. I still maintain. Coach Owadu Bafetu confused. Namtlanji left back Hotok, Sasi left back Undaba. Next week he left back Rapo. Snini Nulo. This guy is approaching his second season with Orlando Pirates. Namanja Gaga in the starting 11. Namanju Coach Owadu Gaga in the starting 11. No Gutama player Wam Nawa. Ayadala. These are the guys that I depend on. Nasi squad. Most of lama player la ukuthi amwinele itreble yakhe the way abayuza ngakhona kule season I don't understand bafethu. And you know sesizeskhathela ukukhuluma ngombuthuma angasi yokhuluma kuze kube njani kuyoze kuwe namazinyo kuyoze kwenzakala in I don't understand ukuthi siyokhuluma kuze kube nini ngalomfana lo yanela mbuthuma. The biggest point engifuna uqala ngayo is uTito yadelela bafethu. Tito has a bad attitude, and this bad attitude will cost him career yake. He can carry on ngale attitude yake. He can carry on thinking ukuthi he's bigger than the team, he's bigger than the game, but sizobona ukuthi uzophelela kuphi. Ama player fana na have come and gone ku PSL baphelele kuphi bafika kuphi ngale bad attitude le abanayo. I didn't like his body language, especially lapha na mabam substituter. Tito must understand ukuthi every player a game in gets substituted, every player a game in starts from the bench, every player a game in kwesinye isikhathi if the coach feels as though you've done enough keep coach nabo Messi ba substitutiwa. So I don't know who Tito thinks he is ukuthi yena maka substitute uyakwata, and then in front of abantu in the public eye coach uzama ukubamba well done player wena the way udlula ngakhona nezinto zenzayo it doesn't make sense. It seems as though there's beef between Tito and Abdeslam Owadu, but unfortunately the beef will favor coach Abdeslam Owadu. He is the coach, Tito is a player. As a player you need to listen to the coach. As a player you need to carry my instruction of coach. If coach wakuthi kuwe dlala la hambu yodlala mfethu. As a player it is it's like emsebenzini ukuthi carry ama instruction we manager. If I manager yakho ityenza so yenza umsebenzi wakho maqeda lapho uhola imali yakho uhamba endlini. If you don't want to be there and you don't want to be under this manager, it's simple, resign uhambe uyothola enye indawo laba zokumanager khona kangcono. uTito mele I understand leyo nto leyo. Number one, there's a way in which coach Abdeslam Owadu plays. You're telling me by now Tito doesn't understand le ndlela coach Abdeslam Owadu adlala ngayo. By now you're telling me ukuthi Tito can adapt to the system yaka coach Abdeslam Owadu uyokudlala. Police bayakwazi ukuthi babakhiphe baphume. We've never seen Ozuna police abukeka njengomuntu ongathi ukwatile ukuthi bayaphuma. Ozuna police yakwazi ukungena coming from the bench. We've never seen him akwata. Tsepang Muremi uyayenza nayo lento leyo. What coach Abdeslam Owadu is simply doing here, for me personally, mangibona lento le, ne? uTito bafethu, there's either someone in management favor. He's not a favorite ka coach Owadu. If it was up to Owadu, I don't think he'd play him. But he's playing him simply because siyayazi Orlando Pirates. We've followed this team for a very long time and we understand the system yabo ne philosophy yabo yokuthi no bona indlela yabo yokwenza ukuthi coach uyatshelwa coach dlala lo nalo. Bayathanda ukinterfere in management when it comes to team selection or which players the coach should play. I don't think uTito is a player that coach Abdeslam Owadu, if he had full power and full control, coach Owadu would play. uTito Maswanganyi needs bafethu to work on his behavior. Nalaphayana during the game, yes I understand laphayana bebamfawulile yawale amchito ampusha uTito pusha back ngamandla, and I'm thinking to myself bafethu senzani. What are we showing the world? Orlando Pirates is a big team. Orlando Pirates, Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns. Khona manje lama team oyi3 nawadlala kunabantu emhlabeni wonke jikelele ababhekile. Pirates just signed a European player, Sebastian Pedersen. So obviously anyway bazobheka bathi sibone le team le aya kuyo. There are scouts. Umfukeng is playing in Belgium. There are scouts who are going to come and watch this team. Mbokazi playing in the United States nabonkotha. So it means there are scouts all over the world and people abazothi sibheke le team le. And akusile kuphela izathu sokuthi abantu bayibheke le team. Abantu futhi bazophinda babhekelele le team because Bafana did well ku World Cup. When Bafana did well ku World Cup, it was dominated by local based players. So which then means ukuthi Bafana vele abantu bazobhekelela ama player wabo everywhere. Sundowns, Chiefs, Orlando Pirates bazobhekelelwa ukuthi this country has players abahambe bayo dominator I World Cup as much as baphume ku last 32, but they made it this far. One of the few African teams abafikile laphayana tisibona ama local players wabo mababhekelela babona boTito babehave ngalendlela ababehave ngayo. Number one, uTito bafethu uyaleka when it comes to attack. He's very slow, akarelease ibhola ngesikhathi, kwesinye isikhathi decision making iyamfaila. Second half kuna labamphasile waphuma uTito 1-on-1 no keeper. The ball was on his stronger foot. Unokuthi ashaye ngestronger foot yakhe. What does Tito do? Ufuna ukuvala ibhola. He wants to bring it to his weak foot. He wants to bring it to his weak foot. Uyazi ukuthi kunzima ukuthi akhahlele ngo right. He brings it to his weak foot and then uyastruggle ukora. So what was the coach supposed to do? If a coach you feel ngathi you are not offering the team lento lena ayifunayo, what is the coach supposed to do? Coach makabona ukuthi awuyenzi into ufuna ukuthi ayenze kwamele ukuthi akhiphe. Bafethu from Bucks camp le episode le ibonakala ngathi there was a bit of an altercation between uTito no Owadu. uTito needs to learn how to respect number one the game. He must respect his coaches and he must respect le badge yethu Orlando Pirates. You can't wear that badge maqada lapho yodelela on a public platform kanjalo bese kuyatholakala. Ezinye izinto mele ukuthi nama coach wethu nama technical directors wethu bazingene. Players need to be disciplined nabo mabenza lezi zinto lezi. It's like what we said ngalomjida lo ngwenya lo phulu sihlondula ukuthi what are the like yini iPSL yenzayo ku avoid ama player phulana. So why lo mjida lo wangaphanishwanga? Why the ref umpilo rakamphanga red card? You look at the injury ukuthi amfana umlimaze kangaka lo muntu lo mangabe umlimaze kakhulu uyamkhipha lo muntu lona uyamkhipha uyamsuspenda or umphanisha however way, even if it means ukuthi yeah no we will find the club for ama medical bills wakanduli izinto ezifana nalezo. So I don't understand. And mina the reason ngisho bafethu ngithi ucoach Abdeslam Owadu ayikho into ayenza Orlando Pirates. Yes, in the situation between him and Tito I support him. I stand with the coach. The coach is the leader. The coach knows better. uTito is still a player until he retires and become a former player or becomes a coach. Only then he can have full charge of what's happening in the team. On top of that, he's not even a captain. I don't even think he'd be considered nabangathi bafuni vice captain ngankosinathi Sibisi. Unkosinathi Sibisi noXoki ama captain. So ucoach Owadu is not fair on Yanela Mbuthuma. He's been very unfair on Yanela Mbuthuma. He can see ukuthi Mbuthuma uyastruggle week in week out. Orlando Pirates mayidlala uyamgcina adlale. Even though Mbuthuma can start the game, abona ucoach Owadu ukuthi lo mchita lona bayamcreate ama chance bayampasa kakori, he keeps him on. Iye ku second half aqhubeke ne game Mbuthuma baze bayamkhipha lapha na ku 80 something. If uLungu bekangakoranga kule game leya besizowina na. Where we're gonna win now because it was him opening the scoring that helped Gutinala Amanyama goal lawyer angene. When is Sebastian Baby Haaland Peterson playing? Ungena nini Baby Haaland adlale naye simbono ukuthi dumengane. Why is it that coach Owadu won't give him a chance? Bafethu mina I still maintain Yanela Mbuthuma is not Orlando Pirates material. Yanela Mbuthuma, this is not a personal attack to the boy. Angimzondi, I have no reason to hate him, but I don't think he's Orlando Pirates material. That badge is heavy on him. Yanela Mbuthuma must either be loaned to a smaller club where angakwazi ukuthi boost confidence yakhe, maybe bamtrain further ukora, or it's simple, put him on the bench and allow other players to play. If Tina we are giving players a fair and equal chance ukuthi bazibonakalise and showcase what they are capable of, Yanela Mbuthuma has been given enough time. Uyanela Mbuthuma has been given enough time. So Uyanela Mbuthuma khona manje bafethu kwamele ukuthi bambeke benchini. Oh yes, I agree with you. Maybe kwamele ukuthi bamchange i-position uCharles. Ngivumelana nawe Charles. Maybe bamchange i-position uMbuthuma, bamconvert and play another position because clearly playing as a number 9 kuyamhlula ku Orlando Pirates. And namanje ngisacomplain abafethu. I don't understand this thing of prioritizing new players ahead of ama play kudala khona lapha ku Pirates. If players are injured, give us an update sazi ukuthi usibanibana kadlali because of 1-2-3 angeke manje phela thina zithi zisasuka sesibona kudlala abanye abantu amanye ama player ekukuthi they were there when Orlando Pirates won the treble abasadlali namhlanje. These are the things that I've been complaining about nanga last season. Ukuthi coach Owadu uyo rotator from the first game of the season until the last game of the season. It's a rotation. This week ikudlala lo, next week ikudlala lo, this week ikudlala lo, next week ikudlala lo. Kanjani bafethu? Every coach at the highest level has a starting 11. Every coach at any level of football une starting 11 sakhe. Unama players here ukuthi nawo ama player enqala ngawo, these are my impact players. Laba abanye they must just fight for a position. And if Owadu is saying that he's giving other players an opportunity to showcase their talent Orlando Pirates, then when is Mpopadi showcasing his talent? Uphiwa nini ni chance ukuthi asiveze akabonisa talent lakhe? Who is competing with Tito for that number 10 position? Because when Tito is not on form or Tito bathi akekho segamini, worst case if uTito yalimali yaphuma ubani nomreplacer? Is there a replacement for uTito? Because we've seen in the middle of the park, Coach Owadu is spoiled for choice. Kuna bomukobodi, kuna bomtiani, kuna bona. The list is endless. Kuna bomakaula. La espagatin no magalimala lo yazu Coach Owadu na ma replacement. But when it comes to the creativity up front, the guy ogu meloguti atole lona la papambili yena why guguta kana replacement. Why Gugu Chagana replacement? And again, uyambona ukuthi uTite has become so complacent and relaxed to Orlando Pirates ukuthi yazini no matter what happens, mina will always be there ngizohlezi ngithola game time. That's why akwazi ukudelela bese next week a start game. That's why he can talk anyhow bese next week a start game. That's why ane yellow card he will come next week a start a game. It's because of zona lezinto lezi. But nevertheless, we take the win. Orlando Pirates siyababongela bawinile 3-0. This company Lungu guy is going to be an impact player for Orlando Pirates. Le season leno Lungu uzohlupha. And as kunamanye amachita abadlala bathi udlala ngomdla nabasho ngene. Lo mchita lona he's not someone uzombona ukuthi he takes on players or creates ama chance amaningi. He's that guy who knows to find himself in the right space akori goal maqedwe yabuya tracker down. So he's starting a competition. Tsapang Muremi wazona police huyu Lungu. So far they are going to fight very hard to be a main wing with Orlando Pirates because ukhositsile sharp yangena second half Maranaye, he still needs to pull up Amasogis and he still has a lot to learn. So those are the things that I wanted to address. The Orlando Pirates has a big issue up front. They have a big issue finishing with final third, and they don't have strikers that can score them goals. Lomfano Radiopan has been given a chance, failed. Agakoro Radiopan. Mbutuma has been given a chance, he's been failing. Agakoro Mbutuma. If we want to delay playing Lomchita Lono Sebastian Peterson, then Tatu Ukampani Lungu and play him as a forward, because he did play as a forward Gusuelele, and we saw him score a hat-trick against Mamelodi Sundowns. Siambona Namanju to Tata Amarana righty, and he's finding himself in the right spaces to score goals for Orlando Pirates. So push him and let him play as a forward. That's the only thing that you can do gule moment lena. Push him and let him play as a forward. But bafethu mina my biggest talking point kule ya namhlanje bekwile yaka Tito no Abdeslam Owadu. I don't understand why this guy is so disrespectful to coach yakhe. Not everyone in life is gonna like you. Ndomele ukuthi understand. In football, managers come and go. Namhlanje kungamanage uJose Rivero ube favorite yakhe, kusasa kuzu Owadu and you are his least favorite. But because when you are expected to be a professional, then behave like a professional. Behave like a professional soccer player. If Owadu doesn't agree nendlela odlala ngayo, find a way when to fit into his structure. The coach shouldn't find a way to fit you into his structure. It's upon you as a player ukuthi wena thola indlela yokufita into his structure yaka coach. Why is it that namanje sisana le debate yokuthi Tito no Owadu bane beef? Sisakhuluma ngale yento leyo namanje. Really? Sisakhuluma ngale yento leyo namanje. Tito must just learn to respect his coach. If he can't respect the coach, he doesn't respect the game. If akakwazi respect to coach, aka respect the game. And what said is that about Tito akusabo Vinicius Junior. Maybe ukuthi babheke iMadrid too much babona ukuthi awu coach makafuna ukukhipha wena ungangala wenzeni. No. The problem E1 3, 4, 5, 6 years he will retire. The game will carry on. The game will carry on. There will be other players kusasa abazodlala le position le akayidlalayo. As a soccer player, you must understand ukuthi one person that's replaceable ebholeni is a player. Players are replaceable ebholeni. There were years la Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns lost big players. We all thought, Sekshubile, another youngster comes. How many times? Now, Babumfukeng Bazile, Saka overseas manje. Now, we are looking for another exciting young prospect. Langelitle Pili looks like Wales of Paramisi Sandla Gule season. Well, Hamba na overseas, Gufige Munya, Ganjalo. That's what the players need to understand. And if the Orlando Pirates, are gonna carry on lento yabo of not taking amachance wabo ba create amachance aba convert abakori. When you play against another team as smart as AmaZulu, only difference bona phambili bayakora. For example, you play against the Sundowns umkwena ukhona maqeda lapho badlalisa uLeon second half bakufakela uCassius Mayilula, you are in trouble. You are in big trouble. So it's very important that bafethu as a team and create amachance niwakore amachance wenu. Ama-chance wenu kwamele ukuthi nokore. And angiunderstand bafethu nalento le abantu abaloke bathenza of Mbutuma akunamuntu ombeka izandla uMbutuma. All we are saying Tina is that baba sikuphile chance. Since last season sloke patient now this season same thing. Orlando Pirates is going to play in the CAF Champions League baba. If Orlando Pirates doesn't get a quality number 9 ozobasiza ku CAF Champions League, then it's going to be tough, because if Ulungu, Police don't do the scoring, then Yokoraban, Nabu Murem. Because we need our number 9 to be there. When I watch that game, all I'm like, imagine, it's scoreline 3-0. Mari strike hasi kogule scoreline 3-0. Striker siko. All you hear abantu abazothi Mbuthuma makes it easy for the wingers to score. No. He's there to score goals, not to help the wingers score goals. Yekela ma winger enza umsebenzi wabo. If bakora because bakhathile baqeda abantu and they decided to take a chance. When as your striker your primary job is to score us goals. Hamba ungene lapha ukore and ayikho lento le oyenzayo. So I agree with this comment. Coach Owadu he always has a lot to say ngama post game analysis wakhe. I mean ngama post game interviews wakhe. Sometimes uyakhala ngama player, sometimes ukhala ngalokhu. Mina I just see a confused guy. When I see Coach Abdeslam Owadu, I just see a confused guy. We are struggling in match day selection. We are struggling when it comes to the reading of the game, knowing when to substitute, knowing which players to play, and knowing when to play those players. For me, he struggles with that. And what Lomchita, coach which is Fernando de Cruz, has ahead of him. Fernando de Cruz seems to be understanding the game better than Owadu, but Owadu has been longer like South Africa. Lomchita Lonute Cruz seems to understand the game better than Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Pega the way I approach game Sundowns ngakona. Two favorites zabantu umuntu ushabala nomfundo vilakazi wababeka ngaphandle wabona ukuthi laphana emuva my natural left back Paseka Marco is injured lo mfana lona Bradley Cross is injured. He's been trying to frontline that position wabona ukuthi yazini ithi ngithathe a wing lo mfana lona uPule Modi and convert him into a wing forward, into a wing back, I mean, and then uzo add number makumele kiwele phambili washama center defender I3 uyazi ukuthi one uzo cover la omunye amela omunye abela and then nomunyane can go up and down lapha. That's a smart coach. Coach Fernando de Cruz into yenzile lapha. He studied Sundowns in every aspect. Uba study shile from individual brilliance, uba study from ama team effort, uba study to midfield dominance yabo. Bheka nokuthi lama player lawa bewadlala ku World Cup bewadlala kanjani aboMudiba bebangekho kule game. We even saw Ox Umthethwa are strong lapha in the middle of the park for the Chiefs. They played with so much confidence. Orlando Pirates, the way that they playing, for me they are in trouble the moment bazodlala ne Chiefs or Sundowns. The moment the Pirates izodlala ne Chiefs or Sundowns, they are in trouble because owe Pirates coach akazi yena ukuthi amanye ama player wasebenzise kanjani awasebenzise nini. Owe Pirates coach can make the right decisions when it comes to tactics. Ngisho nangama substitution I still nyamanje ngisakhala unalento yokusubstitute ama wing back ngizibuza ukuthi usubstitutelani. Sometimes usibelebele uyaphuma bese ulungu uyadrojwa bese sekufaka uHositsile nini ukukhisha uHoto kufaka lona nini kwenzwa. So like lapha ku Pirates kuningi man kuningi okwenzakala lapha ku Pirates. The only person who was here with the starting lineup guaranteed Mbuthuma no Chain. Well, no Siema no Sbisi. But the way ahleza change ngakhona ang understand ukuthi yini into ayenzayo Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Izoke lezo bafethu. Just in closing, for me Mamelodi Sundowns is nothing without Tebogo Mokoena. It seems as though Tebogo Mokoena is the gem in Mamelodi Sundowns. Uyo yenza yonke into yenzeke. If they can't score goals, uyo korayo. If the players need to be motivated and boosted, he does that. If team ayiko se game in uyo badlalisayo abafake game in. So uTebogo Mokoena is Mamelodi Sundowns. Now sesiyabona ukuthi kahle masifuna ukudlala ne Sundowns masifuna ukuyidla kwamele ukuthi sivale uTebogo Mokoena, and this is going to be a tough season for Mamelodi Sundowns. Miguel Cardoso is one coach. He's a good coach, but he is one coach oyekelela izinto ekugcineni. He doesn't mind starting the game slow, angena ku second half continue the game slow. Only once team seyikorile then usakafuna ukuchange ama settings sakaphenika thingfake lo. Sometimes mshaya first half, then second half you defend your lead, but ke izo lezi ezenzakalayo. Bafethu, okay, itingivuleni ama-line bafethu asikhulumeni. What do you guys think? Is the beef between Coach Abdeslam Owadu no Tito? Mina, I'm really not happy ngebehavior yaka Tito. I don't like the fact that he disrespects his coach. I don't like the fact that he feels as though he's bigger than the club. Yena kumele ukuthi asubstitutiwe. Ibholo alikho njalo. Akwenzwa njalo ebholeni bafethu. Ebholeni ucoach wakho makathi wakhipha vuma ukuthi uphume and then allow other players nabo bathola ithuba lokuthi badlale. There were moments like he was coming off the bench. He was given an opportunity to play and an opportunity for him to shine. I don't understand why he thinks that he's bigger than the club. I still think Coach Abdeslam Owadu is confused when it comes to ama tactics or whoever is responsible, because angithi yazi ukuthi ku Pirates kwesinye isikhathi bayatshelwa ukuthi dlala lo nalo. Labo bantu laba bakhethayo ukuthi kudlale bani kuphume bani nabo self, they are killing us because uyanela Mbuthuma niyazibonela bafethu ukuthi ayikho into ayenzayo. And I understand Mfukeng left in South Africa wahamba wayodlala eBelgium, azange makafika le bathi let's wait for him to be ready. Bamthathile bamfaka. Why is it that nabeza la South Africa kwamele ukuthi iqala umuntu abe ready? Allow players to play because players want to play. Ngwavulile ama line ke bafethu joinana ama line and then ngisavula nje ipanel nyanibona nonke nina labe ningenile sanibona bafethu. Ngiyacela bafethu asikhulumeni kahle asingathukane mavumelana nami sharp if avumelane nami nalapho ku sharp. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs supporters bajabulile laba khona babambe ama African champion. Yeah, now bambi Sundowns bathu bambe ama African champion. Uyayibamba lapha African champion yababonisa ukuthi we champion le Africa la South Africa la. That's what you do as a team. Ungasabi, although when the game started I felt as though now coach Fernando de Cruz uyisabile nyani Mamelodi Sundowns respectile, hence he played most of his defensive players, but ama player wakhe contributed a lot in attack bamenzela izinto zakhe ukuthi zibe right. To everyone watching on YouTube, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share and post lapho ku TikTok Omni Audio Africa. Siyabonga bafethu. Let me know what are your thoughts. Ngena ku comment section and let me know what you think. Do you think Tito is a problem ku Pirates? Do you think Sundowns can't play without Mokoena? Are you happy with Chiefs? Do you think Chiefs doesn't need him to shabalala nomfundo Vilakazi? Ngiyabonga ukuthi nisjoine.